Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the all-new Mercedes-Benz Brabus Power Extra B25S. And in this video I will show you the complete exterior, interior and of course the characteristics. So this is between the A250 and A35 AMG, and it adds an additional 46 horsepower and 80 Nm of torque. Pay attention because the next video will be the CLA 45S and the A45S AMG. Here in the front you can see it has a gorgeous diamond grille with the large Brabus emblem in the center. The color of this specific model is the mountain grey metallic. It has the AMG exterior package with the Brabus Power Extra body kit. Blacked out lower lid with horizontal lines, the V shapes in the bumper. It has a Brabus emblem on the side of the blacked out bumper and it sticks out significantly. So moving over to the side, you can see large dark alloy wheels, multi-spoke, a total of 18 spokes to be exact, and it really matches the exterior mountain grey color. Pay attention to the alloy wheels because later in the video you will see that the other side is different. Powered by Brabus emblem, you can see that the power kit of Brabus really does its job at the rear. It has a Brabus emblem on the left, as well as the B25 on the right, and the Brabus in the center. Large spoiler, blacked out, with again the Brabus emblems. And it also improves aerodynamics, just like the A35 performance body kit. These exhaust tips look amazing, with a little shaping inside, as well as carbon fiber and a blacked out diffuser in the center. It has dual exhausts on each side, but don't get fooled because this is the 4-cylinder 2-liter, originally non-AMG, so it has the exhaust system underneath. So from this side you can already see the changes. It has different wheels. Again, the spoiler is in carbon glossy materials. They really have a great design, especially from the top, and it matches the mountain grey exterior color. Nice black and carbon fiber materials. So again, to the left side of the car with a fake air intake just for design, and here on the wheels you can see a graphite Brabus signature. The size is 235 30 20 inch. A nice powered by Brabus emblem on the side. And the total weight of this car is only 1400 kilograms. The length has increased with 10 centimeters compared to the predecessor. And tell me guys, which wheels do you like better? These light alloy wheels or the darker ones on the other side? From the exterior design you can see the Brabus front bumper attachment in carbon glossy materials. It also has carbon glossy front bumper inserts, including the double B for the front grille. Again, the gorgeous front with a diamond grille, and an amazing feature is that the logo in the front is illuminating. So let's get inside. And remember guys, the interior is also based on the A250, so not the AMG model. It has a new design steering wheel, and you can already see the new Brabus shift pedals. It has regular AMG performance seats, illuminating Brabus emblem on the door side, floor mats and the gas pedal in a Brabus design. So let's close the door and pay attention to the digital screen in front of us. Here it has the new A Class front design. So let's press the button for the electronics to work. Amazing interior, the newest technology with the MBUX system. It has a new steering wheel, full leather, and as you can notice, large Brabus pedal shifters. So let's press it and listen to the sound. It sounds very robust, and it is of full metal, and it's quite heavy. Leather seats with the Brabus emblem, floor mats, and it also increased in width with around 5 centimeters. It has a wireless charger for your phone, so you can just leave it and it will charge automatically. Very handy, with a touchpad on the center console. So let's have a look at the navigation system. You can just use it with your hand. It has touchscreen and use it as a mobile phone. So let's zoom out. If you operate this car and it's fully charged, then it's faster, just like a mobile phone. So let's zoom out and I will show you what it is capable of. Here we are in Asia, India, further away Indonesia. So let's go all the way to the other side of the ocean, to the United States, Canada. So you can see the high over cities. But this is a European based model, so it only shows the roads of Europe, including Russia. So you can also swipe through these main settings, navigation, media, and let's press the vehicle information. Here you have your consumption figures and information of the vehicle itself. Let's move to the left and one down, and here you can change the complete interface in, for example, trip, which will show you the destination and how much kilometers you have driven. You can also change it to sport, which shows you the kilometers an hour, rounds per minute, and it will also change the center infotainment system. But you can also change the display yourself with the touchpad on the steering wheel. You can basically change everything you want: the left part, the center part, and the right part. So let's have a look at the trip settings. You can see the consumption and so on. On the right side you can change it and have a look at the navigation system, rounds per minute, the travel time, and more. It has storage area here in the center, nice leather stitching, passenger seat storage area. So let's have a look at the back seats. Brabus emblems everywhere. So let's have a look. Gorgeous color. So the driver's seat is in my driving position. Leather stitching also in the rear. And these are the typical A-Class seats, also in the predecessor. So let's get inside. And as you can see, my legroom is decent. Let's close it. Nice cup seats. And you can also flip this down to enter the trunk. So let's put it back to have a look at the trunk capacity. Again, the gorgeous rear with very horizontal taillights. So let's open the trunk. And here you can see that the hot hatch is very practical. It has a trunk capacity of almost 400 liters. A Brabus floor mat. And underneath you can also open it to have your assistant tooling. 40-20-40 split. So let's close the trunk, and as you can see, it's not automatically, so you have to close it with your hand. So let's have a look at what's under the bonnet of this little beast. Powered by Brabus, and the focus is on power and sound. So let's open it. And here you can see the Brabus technology with the carbon fiber cover power extra. It delivers an extra 46 horsepower and 80 Nm of torque, resulting in a total of 270 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. From 0 to 100 km an hour in just 5.9 seconds. And with the 4MATIC, it is estimated to be closer to the A35. The top speed is 250 km an hour. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for more.